Today, we bring you exclusive insights into the newest money-making apps that reward you for indulging in your passion for watching videos. No special skills required, just your device and a few minutes of your time. Whether you're an experienced online earner or someone seeking innovative ways to make money, this method is designed for you. Picture getting paid for your video watching routine with the most recent and lucrative money-making apps. Stay tuned as we walk you through the best choices for earning money online through video watching. At the forefront of our lineup is cashkarma.io, a shining example of legitimacy in the realm of online earning. This versatile platform extends its welcome to users worldwide, ensuring that individuals from any location can tap into its money-making potential by engaging in straightforward surveys and tasks. By exploring the bonus section and watching videos, users have the opportunity to accumulate rewards that can be traded for free cash or a variety of appealing gift cards. The low withdrawal threshold of $5 makes reaching it easily achievable. Once this milestone is attained, users can smoothly transfer their earnings to their PayPal account or opt to redeem them for popular gift cards, adding a delightful bonus to the experience. Cash Karma warmly welcomes new users with an initial 300 points, providing a beneficial boost to your account. The application is compatible with both Android and iOS platforms, accessible for download on the Google Play Store under the name Cash Karma Survey Rewards and on the App Store as Cash Karma Surveys. Moving on, we have featurepoints.com, a veteran in the online money-making arena since 2012. With a track record of distributing over $6 million to its users, FeaturePoints stands as a reliable platform with both a website and an app. It accommodates users across different devices and primarily features a diverse range of video offers on its app. A notable aspect is its global accessibility, allowing individuals worldwide to access a wealth of opportunities. Earnings can be generated by engaging in activities such as watching videos, participating in contests, completing surveys, and downloading apps. With a minimal withdrawal threshold of just $5, FeaturePoints offers a simple route to cashing out. Users have various options for redemption, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and a selection of gift cards such as Amazon, PlayStation, Starbucks, and more. The third application on our roster is mypoints.com, a versatile, get-paid-to website accessible on both Android and iOS devices. MyPoints distinguishes itself with a multitude of avenues for earning money, particularly for individuals who are regular online shoppers. The platform offers users attractive cashback incentives for their online shopping activities. Alongside cashback rewards, MyPoints presents diverse opportunities for earning, such as completing surveys, playing various mobile games, and, pertinent to our focus, generating income by watching videos. To utilize this feature, simply navigate to the Earn section, where you'll discover various options for earning money through different video offers. The minimum threshold for withdrawing your earnings on MyPoints is a reasonable $5, and you have the flexibility to withdraw in cash or choose from a variety of gift cards offered on the platform. It's essential to be aware that, as of the current time, MyPoints is exclusively available in the United States and Canada. Pause for a moment. If you've been enjoying this video, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Go ahead, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications on our future uploads. Now, let's resume with the video. The fourth application in our lineup is App Karma, designed primarily for Android users. If you're using iOS, fret not, you can still use it by accessing the provided link through your Safari browser. App Karma is primarily centered around earning rewards by downloading and installing various apps and games. Moreover, App Karma includes a video ad segment where users can watch ads from diverse apps to earn money. Upon logging in, you can navigate to the bonus section to discover these video ads. App Karma guarantees global accessibility, enabling users from any location worldwide to participate. To withdraw earnings to PayPal, a minimum of $10 is required, and various gift cards are available for redemption, starting at just $5. As a welcoming gesture, App Karma awards a sign-up bonus of 300 points to your account. Now, let's explore the fifth application, CryptoTab Browser, which presents a unique method of earning compared to apps that reward for video watching. CryptoTab Browser is, in fact, a browser in itself and can be installed on both computers and mobile devices, supporting both Android and iOS platforms. It facilitates passive earning through background operation and Bitcoin mining. While it is accessible worldwide, it's important to highlight that CryptoTab browser doesn't provide direct compensation for watching videos. Instead, it promotes active use during web surfing to optimize earnings. Even basic activities such as searching or watching videos on platforms like YouTube can contribute to your earnings. However, it's important to note that CryptoTab browser exclusively rewards in Bitcoin, making it a suitable choice for individuals aiming to accumulate this cryptocurrency. Let's delve into the 6th and 7th applications on our list, each presenting distinct methods for online earnings. Beginning with the 6th app, we have cointply.com, a platform that I recently discussed in a video on this channel. Cointply offers both a website and a mobile app, ensuring accessibility to a broad audience. Android users can easily install the app from the Google Play Store, while iOS users can access the platform through their Safari browser. With a worldwide presence, individuals from any corner of the globe can tap into the diverse earning opportunities provided by Cointply. The impressive 4.7 star ratings on Trustpilot strongly attest to its legitimacy as a platform for making money online. Cointply provides a variety of earning avenues, such as playing games, completing tasks, participating in offers, and taking surveys. Importantly, you can kickstart your earnings by watching videos. To begin earning through video watching, log in and navigate to the PTC pay-to-click option. Start watching video ads to generate income. You have the option to withdraw funds in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, LTC, and Dashcoin. Bitcoin withdrawals require a minimum of $5, whereas other cryptocurrencies have a lower threshold of $3. Now, let's turn our attention to the 7th and final app on our list, which is swagbucks.com. This well-known get-paid-to website is accessible globally and can be used on both Android and iOS devices. Swagbucks provides diverse opportunities to earn, including playing games, watching videos, and participating in surveys. I've previously provided an in-depth examination of Swagbucks on this platform, highlighting its diverse features. For withdrawals on Swagbucks, a minimum of $5 is needed for PayPal and other gift cards. Alternatively, if you choose an Amazon gift card, the minimum withdrawal amount is just $1. Swagbucks stands as a prominent platform in the online earning realm, offering a myriad of opportunities for users to capitalize on their time and activities. That concludes today's presentation. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Additionally, remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay informed about our latest videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to having you in our next video.